SRS entity, go ahead.
Yes, sir. Latest update from FCO is that there are multiple targets, and this time the radar is saturated. They're working it.
Okay, I copy that, and again, please keep us advised.
NTD, CISL, altitude recorder activated.
And CISL, NTD, I copy.
ODC PLP APU pre-start complete. 3 grade talkbacks.
OTC copy. Please stand by.
We have a go for engine start. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Any sufficiently advanced technology is indistinguishable from magic. The limits of the possible can only be defined by going beyond them, into the impossible. Imagination will often carry us to worlds that never were, but without it, we go nowhere. Somewhere, something incredible is waiting to be known. We can achieve our greatest dreams when technology is an amplifier of, not a replacement to, the great things that people create. Welcome, Blockchangers. Welcome to your next level journey. Welcome to the second edition of the biggest blockchain hackathon in the world. You have gathered here from all corners of the world to do the extraordinary. Welcome to the Blockchaingers Hackathon. Can you imagine your solutions impacting 1 billion lives? Can you imagine your unexpected discovery changing our perspective forever? Can you imagine yourself making it happen here, this weekend? You will unlock your potential. You will leave your comfort zone, and you will boldly go where no man has gone before. Look around from your launch pad. Nowhere on this planet will you find a more complete ecosystem to support you on your endeavor. Let's prepare for liftoff. We have 1 million ways to find solutions, 105,000 euros in prize money, 1,000 meatballs, to get 5 displays, and 0 time to waste. Are you ready to fire up the tracks?
I'm sorry, Dave. I'm afraid I can't do that.
Again, are you ready to fire up the tracks? Here we go! Global digital identity. Future of pensions. Energy transition. Health. Public safety and security. Digital nations infrastructure. And machine-to-machine economy. Together, we will explore the deep space of our future. Together, we will discover new dimensions. And together, we will create the next operating system for our society. Please welcome to the stage founder and CEO of Dutch Chain and the Blockchangers, Rutger van Zuidam.
Hello, everybody. I said hello, everybody. Thank you. And I mean, thank you. Thank you all for being here. Can I get some light in the audience? Who is not from the Netherlands? A big applause for everybody taking the trip